Hello students. Application of trigonometry is a very important part of the trigonometry which is a great significant role in the real life. Trigonometry का एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण अंग है application of trigonometry जिसको हम height and distance भी बोलते हैं जिसका real life में application होता है. In this video I'll take the small revision. I'll explain you the basic concept with some questions. Introduction to application of trigonometry का ऑलरेडी मैं वीडियो अपलोड कर चुका हूँ, वो आप देख सकते हैं. बट आज की वीडियो में मैं एक छोटा सा रिवीजन लूँगा जिसमें बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट देखेंगे एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के और कुछ सिंपल क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज अ पोल एंड फ्लैग इज माउंटेड ऑन इट एंड ऑब्जर्वर इज व्यूइंग दिस फ्लैग. दिस लाइन जॉइनिंग ऑब्जर्वर टू ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड लाइन ऑफ साइट and the angle between this line of sight and horizontal is called angle of elevation. In the question it can be given the observer's height, so this will be the observer height, and with the help of this data we can find out the height of pole. Conversely, let us suppose the observer is on the pole and is viewing the boat. In this case, the angle between line of sight and horizontal is called the angle of depression. But when you get the numerical question based on angle of depression, we'll consider this angle because these angles are equal alternate angles. So on the base of this angle given, we'll write this angle and we can calculate. So let us see in questions. Let us solve the very easy question to understand the concept. In this diagram you can see the circus artist climbing from the ground along a rope stretched from the top of vertical pole, and the height of pole is 12 meter. The angle made by rope with ground is 30 degree angle of elevation. We need to calculate the distance covered by circus artist. So I made this diagram here. We need to calculate here AC. So very simple, ABC, this is right angle triangle. AB upon AC, perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sine 30. Sine 30 1 by 2, so AC will be 24. So the distance covered by circus artist will be 24 meter. Let us see another question. The angle of depression of top of unfinished tower at a point distant 100 meter from its base is 45 degree. How much higher must tower be raised so that its angle of depression at the same point becomes 60 degree? See, try to understand how much higher must be raised this tower. इस tower को हम कितना बढ़ाएं so that the angle of depression from the same point becomes 60 degree. Angle of depression was 45 degree. Now by raising the tower, the angle of depression of the top of tower to the same point, it should be 60 degree. This height we have to calculate. Now let us suppose the height of this unfinished tower is h, and this we have to rate by x meter. Now in this triangle ABC, h upon 100 is equal to, see this angle, focus it, this line of sight is common, this is angle of depression 45 degree, so by alternate angle concept this will be 45 degree. Tan 45 means 1, so h is equal to 100 meter. ABC, let us suppose this point is D. Now see in triangle DBC, this height means x plus h upon 100 is equal to this angle. See again, line of sight 60 degree, so this angle will be 60 degree. Tan 60 root 3. Now I'll substitute the h is equal to 100 here. X plus, instead of the h I am writing 100 is equal to 100 root 3. 100 root 3 minus 100 we will take the common, √3 minus 1. So this part I am solving here. √3, the approx value is 1.73. 1.73 minus 1, 0.73. 0.73 into 100 is equal to 73 meters. This is the answer. It means we have to raise this tower by 73 meters. So my dear student, this was a small recapitulation, small revision to understand the basic concept with questions. If any other doubt you are having, you can write in the comment box. तो ये एक छोटा सा रिवीजन था सिंपल क्वेश्चंस के साथ, जिससे बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट आपके क्लियर हो गए होंगे। और भी कोई डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं।